going on? All right. I owe every single one of you an apology. From my Bitcoin heart, I promise to not do that again if I can help it. That was awful. I had two strange men come to my house in front of my door as I could look out my window in a big truck. And that's what happened. So, as I had to kill this video, I did not want to, but I do owe you an apology. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make some sick dough in crypto, hit that like and subscribe as we are going to the moon with Bitcoin. As you see, we are blasting off. Don't believe me? Want to try Wall Street Pete? I'm that kind of guy, Italian. Yes, I was playing with 220. The guy seen me come in, and the guy came in. I seen him come in, and he says, that's hardwired to your oven. I have to go. I could just drop it off. He drops off the oven. Excuse the mess, because they were supposed to bring a microwave today. They came with the oven on. I didn't know. No microwave. Here comes the oven, and here comes Wall Street Pete. Right? Well, that's what I do. I just saved myself about 200 in Bitcoin by doing that. What a wonderful thing. 240 in Bitcoin. What the hell's happened with Ethereum right now? We must speak about it. We need to know about it. So far, as I look, we are jumping up through. What price was it that I said on the Ethereum? I said 1942. That would be a price that if we see 1942, that would really be onto a strong jump here. And look what we're doing. If you look at this, we are forming an upward trending W right here, all the way through into here. So I expect 2,000 very easily. 2,000 for Ethereum is not going to be difficult to do. Now, if you pay attention, these W's really come in this formation. So it's going to be pretty clear to me that this is definitely a rising W. I see it clearly. I hope if you take a peek on your trading view and you were to look at your direct movement DMI, that's what you would want to go with. If you look at your DMI right here, you can see that the buying power is up. If you see at the last, what are we on, the hourly, right? Yeah, so the last couple hours that this movement is creating down here on the bottom. Let's see if I can help. So this right here on the bottom, you have an M. That was not good for the buying power purpose. Then you're going here, and then you're getting your volatility movements of buys, and you're getting a lot. And then, of course, what happens as it goes down, your buying power, it's going to start going up because everyone's going to see the prices get basically bought at a low price. But first is what happens is they get liquidated at a high, and that's what I wanted to teach my followers. Prices get liquidated at a high. That's why you dollar cost average in and out of the market. So when I dollar cost averaged in and out, I had a prediction that it was going to hit up here in one of my long ago videos, and basically I took my profits out at that price. So, long story short of it all, I'm sorry, I'm getting bothered right now with stuff. I'm having a hell of a day. Today is one of those days, man. It's just, and I'm not going to let it beat me. I don't let adversity beat Wall Street Pete. It ain't going to happen. Prices are liquidated at a high. We're falling, and we're creating new prices at a low. Do you understand what's happening? And as this is falling, everyone's getting so excited that they just keep buying and buying. And what happens is they get sick. And as you see, you bought at 1470 Ethereum. You now realize that it's all now touched 1290, and you're like, wait a minute. I thought I was a boss when I bought it because it was trading all the way here at 19 one point. Guess what I did at 1900? I liquidated all my money. Have a good day, bro. You have a great day as well, man. Thanks, Blake. Basically, I liquidated all my money. Oh, he's telling me to have a good day. Yeah, that's key. That's key to everything in life. If you start your morning off with a bad day, you need to go back in bed. I've done this before. I'm not even kidding. Listen to me. You're not going to listen to me. You're not going to do it. The sad part is if you do it, you're going to be really glad you did it. Because seriously, some people, they need to start over. If you find out immediately you need to start over, then just start over. Because I'll tell you right now, it could kill you. Hold on one second. This is insane. Yeah, all right. Listen, I'll go over that later. Long story short of it all, it'll eat your butt alive. You need to stay focused. You need to stay positive, and you need to just get the negativity out of your life. And it doesn't have to go out of your life. Just put it aside somewhere. Tell them I ain't got time for that right now, unless it's really, obviously of importance. Long story short of it all, we are now coming back to a high price that we were once at. We fell. I took my profits and I bought Cardano. That's what I did. Right here. You see the date, February 20th? February 20th, 2021. I kid you not. Go check my last previous videos. I talked about how I was tired of Ethereum's gas prices being so high in February that Wall Street Pete decided, and using an educated move, he actually took all of his Ethereum. That was not educated. Let me tell you, that was stupid. I should have dollar cost averaged out. But I bought Cardano at 94 cents, $1, $1.10, $1.01. I dollar cost average in ADA is my point. And all the money I had in here, which was about $5,000 easy, maybe more, I put it into Cardano, and I'm chilling in Cardano at that low price. And we've been doing nothing but chilling at $1.11 and now $1.19. If you notice the different waves on Cardano, it's got certain patterns it's following, and it's very consistent. Ethereum, my point is we're going to see 2,000 very soon. My question with Ethereum is, and this is what will be the question because I expect it to fall once it goes really high again. When it hits now this price, look what I said, resistance may show up. Do you understand the stuff that I do and how, do you understand how right I am a lot? Uh, I'm not trying. I really don't want to bloat. I really don't want to gloat and sound. I'm not. I'm trying to explain to you that a lot of times in this crypto market, I've been pretty accurate. And when this is going to happen is this price here is 2041. Okay. So pay attention to the 2041 mark now. That's our new price. 1942 is gone. You understand me? I said that we needed to get to 19 and break through 1942 to see 2000. Now we need to see the 2042, like I said. When we do, we'll celebrate. Right now we're in the uptrend. I don't expect it to fall. If it's going to fall, it's going to fall in the up heartbeat moment, and you're just going to keep creating newer highs. You understand? We're going to keep creating the newer highs as we bounce down and back up. It's going to be really nice. You create new low highs and new high lows. I don't know if that makes any sense. What will happen eventually for that? It will stop. You will see it's going to basically have that curve momentum. See how let me show you. Look at the chart. Look at the chart right now, the one I'm on. When we are going up, you see how the line turns on the curve of a J, right? I constantly talk about the J. Well, if you pay attention to the J as it's climbing up, well, what the hell happens when we're going down? It starts forming M's. That's why they're so damn scary. Why are they so scary? Do you know how important it is when you get an M and you get the rejected fake out M like that? Because you're in an upward trend. So this was an M. Do you understand? So this M up here, we were at 17. People don't see this. You don't pay attention at all to it. It's not your fault. You just don't know to understand. 1727. Now that was a price for Ethereum, 1727. That was driving me nuts for the longest time. So pay attention to that as well. We'll see that maybe one day. I hope not. Stupid thing. You got to right click and stop the drawings from happening, and then that won't happen. I never do it, as you can see in my videos. So we got a rejected M. And what I wanted to show you was it was 1727. What was the lowest price? The lowest price was 1657. If you had a lot of money in this right now, you would be pooping yourself. ANKR going this week? ANKR's going today. Park Jenny. ANKR is going today. What do you mean this week? I'm trying to understand. First off, it's Thursday, so tomorrow's Friday, so the week is over after tomorrow. We're in the uptrend, Jenny. Not to sound silly or anything, but we are 100% in the uptrend. So my point being is we went to 1657 and we went to 1725, 1727. That was what? That was a quick. All right, look, $25 off there on the top to make it 1700. Right, 25 add to the 52 is 74. If this didn't happen, yes. What is it saying? Protect your, yeah. I gotta protect more. We'll take care of that. And I was looking at the Indians, by the way, And the Indians are going to win me money as we spoke today, right, to buy more Bitcoin. 1956 Ethereum. I'm going to go over Anchor in a minute. Just hang on with me. I have so much crap going on right now. It's insane. It's all good stuff, though. Nothing bad. Like I said, so as I was showing you, it's that upward momentum. We're not done here. If you take a look at this. We broke through the resistance on Ethereum and that went through. That's what I was trying to tell you with it. Now, I was excited because all I wanted to do was talk about this, and I didn't even get to it yet because so much crap has been happening. Eric Gordon. I have Eric Gordon for sale. You see how this says for sale? I don't have any others, so I'm not selling them right now. I'm not selling Julius Randle. I'm not selling DeAndre Hunter yet, but I'm going to probably sell for $200. Now you can go on it, you can click. It's Wall Street Pete Ballin. That's my name. If you really want to buy it, you can buy it for me. You don't have to. This is cool. There's other people out there you can go. My friend Marky Mark. You want to take a peek? You want to see what Marky Mark's got? Check out what my boy Marky Mark's got. He's been opening packs. Check this out. This is all part of the NFTs. This is not, please don't get this screwed up. We're not off cryptocurrency at any point in time of this video right now. I don't want you to get this screwed up. This is the NFT platform. This is Mana Decentraland. If I took all these cards off, if I took all this stuff off this browser away, explain it to you. It's Mana Decentraland. Mana Decentraland is the NFT platform, decentralized platform that acts as a land for the NFT market. Do you understand what Mana is? Can you look at MLK and Shotcoin? If they can go into Trading Coin and I can do a chart analysis on TradingView and it works, I'll do anything you want. I promise. Anyways, as I'm getting to with this, you're going to be able to open up packs. Right now, I'm waiting on my pack. I have a pack coming. Which one was it? It was the pre-order base set. Nothing crazy, but I'm waiting for it. I'm going to get a cool thing out of it, and then eventually I'm going to buy a badass pack that's coming. It was a $229 pack. It's got LeBron James. So this is the NFT world. You understand when they get and see this and they want to sell these, they're going to want this. They're going to want this stuff. What is it for my people who have never seen this? This is what this is. Look at my man. Do a little twirl around him. Look at that big man. He did him dirty. I love playing basketball. Wall Street Pete. They used to call me Pistol Pete. For real. I was nasty. I wasn't nasty. I was nasty with the crazy moves. Like I gave people a headache. I'm the guy that threw the ball behind his head and it went in off the backboard and you were just looking at me and you wanted to fight me later because I did it my third time that game. Yeah, that's who I was. So you could buy these. You could sell them. I'm selling mine for $200. Wall Street Pete Ballin. That's our name. I was trying to get to my buddy Mark. Team Durant he's on. So let's do it. Let's not get any more out of the way of what the hell we're talking about. Because this is Mana Decentraland. So when Mana Decentraland's $10 a share, or when it's trading $10, no, you did not miss Anchor yet. We're going right after this NFT. I promise. I promise after this NBA Top Shot, I promise we're going to do Anchor. I promise. Unless Ethereum goes to like 5,000 all of a sudden. Then we'll do that. See, $120. 297. I mean, there's growth in this. In 2-3 years, when all the NBA players start realizing that their stuff is on here and that they want every one of them, you don't understand. There's rarity in this. There may be only 2 of these cards. There may be only 3 of these digitals. There's not millions of them. And what's going to happen is you can only have and share that one. And the actual players are going to probably start wanting their stuff. And if you own some of their stuff, millionaires, think about this, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, if you own some of the millionaires' things that they want, this isn't a picture of you taking a jump shot, okay? There it is. I found it, by the way, my buddy Mark. He's got this one, okay? You want to see the prices? The lowest right now currently is $540. That person's crazy. He's money hungry. I would never sell this card for this digital card for $540. You're out of your goddamn mind. 5,000 is the top right now. It was at 16,000 at one point when this first started. You know what the problem is? No one knows about it. So the problem is while no one knows, the prices will be where they are. If you ask me, these prices are insane. Insanely high. Why the hell do I want this when I can go on YouTube and I can just go YouTube it? That's what the players said. And then all of a sudden they realized this is a competition. I want these. And then they started collecting them. And now you have your own collection. And then now you go down here and you need at least 3 to be able to open a pack. Do you understand how this works? This world is sick. They got you in an addiction world. You think you're addicted to Anchor? You think you're addicted to crypto? Wow. Listen to this. This right now. If you get at least a card or 2 and you get the ones for $8, this is a $10, $12 card here and there. Some of them are thousands already, 79,000, 100,000. I'm not kidding. This card right here is for $200 in my mind. You know why? Because when people find out, by the time they realize what this crap is, that's the value. That's my appreciation value in it. I'm gonna go look. You can go buy more packs. Like I said, my buddy Mark, you can go check it. Maja, he has one. They go by ranks. Okay, so this card is a ranking. I have number 16,000. I have 16,339th card out of 35,000 plus, it says. Now, there's some cards where there's only 10. You understand what I'm saying? They're worth more. So that the same exact card, if I had this card, number 1, this card would probably be worth well over 200. I'm not sure. But that's my point. Create an account. Get yourself in there through the Dapper. You'll be excited. You'll be able to do some really cool stuff with this very, very shortly. Don't fool around. I'm telling you right now. And guess what? If you don't want to get involved and you're too lost, then buy Man at the Decentraland because it's insane. I just bought my first pack pre-order. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Yanchin. My man, my woman. I don't know who you are. I'm looking. Looks like a woman. Good for you. Awesome. Awesome. I can't wait to open my pack. I hope we can get up and maybe open our packs together live. Oh, man, it's so exciting. I cannot wait. But long story short, when people start realizing, and LeBron James and Michael Jordan himself, and all these people, when Michael Jordan cards come out, this is going to be crazy. We're in it now. Do you understand what I'm telling you? We're in it now. Everyone right now, I have 16 people watching. Do you know you're in this now? This is exciting. If you don't get in this stuff now, and it blows up, and you just watch this video and then get off, well, you're screwed up. I don't know what else to tell you. Hit that like and subscribe button right now if you're not subscribed. If you're on the fence of getting on, you need to get in now because we're going to the moon. Here we go. Everyone has been waiting for. I don't believe the love, the hype for ANKR. I swear I'm getting ready to do a commercial for ANKR. That's how much my followers love ANKR. I didn't have this much ANKR. I did not own as much ANKR as I did until my followers started blowing up, until my YouTube started blowing up. And I'm very proud of it, and I'm proud of my followers because they're very educated, and they're helping me, and I'm helping them. And that's what this is about. It's a family that grows together. And we're going to grow to the moon. And I'm going to remember every one of these new followers that started with me, and I'm going to remember every one of them because I have an amazing memory. We're still doing this motion here. I went to the hourly on my phone, right? And I seen a W forming on ANKR. I don't see it on TradingView on my PC. Do you believe this? There it is. This stuff is crazy. What happened was the candles were big. So on TradingView, on my phone, they were big. Here it is. Okay, look. So this is what I want to show you because this can get a little hairy. This is exciting as hell. This is the hourly. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines and get ready to rumble because I'm going to tell you right now, right friggin' now. Thank you, Justin Brockman. I appreciate that. Subscribe. Thank you very much. Justin, I promise I won't fail you. I won't let you down. I don't want to say I won't fail you. I won't let you down. Team Wall Street Pete, let's get it. Crypto never sleep, baby. I love it. You're up there, brother. Look, you're up there. CJ Wilson, he's there. And my only recent donation was Mr. Blake. Very, very generous man. That was very kind of you. I appreciate it. I can't thank you enough. Can I sell short Bitcoin? You sure can. Do you want to lose your t-shirt? Or, let me ask you a question. Do you want me to have to give you this shirt? Because if you short Bitcoin right now, you're going to need this. So, yeah, don't do that. You will be able to, at some point in 2021, to significantly short Bitcoin. I promise you. I friggin' promise you. If you want to check it out, for my follower or for my viewer, he said, can you? You sure can. Right there. Right there, KuCoin. KuCoin allows you to short and put leverage on the market. I don't do this right now. Right now, we are up in a bullish market. We could be going bullish so high that if you decide to ever short Bitcoin, you will be out of this market so fast, you'll be like Michael Jackson, made of plastic, cremated. For real. Don't ever, in this time of the market ever short Bitcoin. I don't care what anyone says to you. Is there a time and moment where you could probably do it? Yes. I'm talking about this year. Yeah, when we go down and we're having our corrections, of course. But do you really want to take that chance? Do you really want to liquidate all your money and see it just disappear like that and a chance of a bull market? It doesn't make any sense. There's going to be a time where I'm going to tell my entire channel, my entire followers, we need to get the hell out right now, because I'm going to tell you right now, we just hit 250,000 Bitcoin. Imagine that. Imagine having this conversation, because what I'm telling you right now, mark the date, we're going to have that conversation. I'm going to be telling you, guys, guess what? We're 250K Bitcoin, and I'm going to be looking at the technical analysis, and we're going to be having a half a heart attack, because it's going to be falling 50, 60, 70%. Maybe worse. And it's not the end of the world. It's just how it works. It's crazy. Nothing goes up completely to the moon the way it does on Bitcoin and not have something come back down before it dips. I don't know what to tell you. It's the history. It's everything. You need to just pay attention to it. You'll be fine. So there's your KuCoin. Now, can we go over ANKR? Yes. I know everybody wants to. We want to finish going over ANKR. I know it. And we're going to do it. This is what I expect. Look at where we stop. You ready where we stop? I'm going to frickin' show you. It's exciting. 1760, right? And that 17 ranges, I've been telling you. That's what's going to test it. This is another test. That's all this is. So if we move it up and get to our candles somewhere around, yeah, right about there. Okay. Trying to set this up. This is why people set this up before they start their channel, because it gets boring. The problem is I really don't think I get boring. Do I get boring? Sometimes, yeah. Nobody can be entertaining for their freaking whole life. But yeah, I get boring sometimes. So we're going to adjust our support and our resistance right now. If you look right about here, we touched up at 18 cents. So 18 cents, we hit something here, and something significant happened. Do you remember? Look. We did it, this movement. Everyone said, oh, look, the correction's over. And everyone got back in. That's what happened. That's exactly what happened. And you know why you did that? Anybody who did it? Because they didn't realize that we were still on a downward trend, creating new low highs. New low highs. Do you understand? So what happens is you're going on this downward trend. It's falling, and no one's paying attention to that. What are we paying attention to? We're paying attention to this. That's what we're paying attention to, the bottom line, the price, our money fluctuation, right? Isn't it the truth? That's what we're doing, and that's the problem. Let me fix that. I knew that was an issue. So we're already falling. It's already, I almost said the word again. I got to be careful with my mouth. It's already crappy, but guess what? I just showed you what it is. It's the formation of a half of the W. It's getting ready for a blast off, as I showed you with the Bitcoin GIF. This is what I see. I'm not kidding. Even if we have to come down a little more, this is what I see. I'm telling you right now. Now, what we may see if it's not happening. This is what may happen if we don't see it. And it'll fake us out. And then it'll start forming a W, really scaring the piss out of us. And then imagine if it does. Oh, gosh. But we have to get past this. That's my point. So look at the time. April 1st, 22 time. That would be the next morning. Okay, so yeah, we're going into the next day. So right there, we're pretty much at the end of April. We still have a whole half a day of April to go through. We have some candles to form here, so we can find out if this W is rising. I'm confident if I start looking at some of the DMIs like I like to do. Let's do we haven't done this. We always do the DMI. I do it like all the time, and I'm sure people are tired of staring at it. Let's learn something new. Relative Strength Index. This is very helpful. If you can get this on TradingView, which it's free, I don't see why you can't. I just got it now. I don't pay for TradingView. You'll see here you can start doing the same thing, and you'll start getting an understanding of what the indicators tell you, which is really cool. That's pretty cool. Like if I want right now, I could just pretend I don't even see that chart no more and just really go into depth into this. This is important sometimes. Yes, set those stop losses. If you go to sleep, very good, CJ. Very good. Thank you for telling everybody. Would you dump your link for ANKR? Chainlink, if you have Chainlink, I would only dollar cost average Chainlink. Chainlink is going into the NFT market, and Chainlink is about to freaking explode. So whatever you do, do not Do not, I repeat, do not liquidate your chain link. If you want to put your chain link profits into Anchor, I would definitely do so. If you want to put any profits into Anchor right now, I would highly suggest it. This is what I'm getting at. Pay attention to what happened here now, because this is important. Relative strength index chart. Why you don't want to go all the way up here and just stare at that is because you want to see what these indicators do versus what happens to your candles and your price. So we're going to do this. Unfortunately, everyone's going to hate it because I hate it sometimes, but I get rid of everything, and it's also a nice thing at the same time. Let's pay attention. Look at this. Does this not reflect the price at all to the T? Pay attention. Look straight up, right? March 30th, the 13th hour. Look at the 13th hour of the candle. Pay attention to the movement on this relative strength. You're welcome for whatever the hell I did, Binky. I'm here for you guys. You guys are here for me. It's vice versa. We help each other out. We're a Wall Street, Pete, company, team, whatever you may want to call it. Polygon, we can go over it. Sure. Absolutely. I'll do that next. So right here, this is what I'm saying. This relative strength index is very telling of what's happening. It's not exact. As you can see here, right, we have waves that are staying the same height, but yet, look, we don't have any more feed here. We don't have any more candles. Why is that? Well, as I was explaining earlier in my video, you'd understand better. When Bitcoin was at 59,000 and the dominance was falling on Bitcoin, I can show you that really, really fast. Because this is seriously big, important stuff on my video. And now that I got a lot of people watching, I think I should go over this stuff. If you pay attention to this, as I was telling you, see this. This is common sense. It's not great. You can't really see it in great, but I'm not zooming in yet. I want you to see the fall. You see the fall? That's the most important thing. This is the Bitcoin dominance on Bitcoin. It stayed at 59,000 when it did that. It's the same similarity of what I'm getting at to this. Okay? We're growing. So what's happening is my relative strength index, as I told you, you can put it as your favorite and you can have it come right up immediately, is what it's doing is it's growing up and down. And as this is happening, Anchor's growing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get down here a little bit, touch the 43.3 on my right, if you see it on the relative strength right there, all the way to the right, when we look at our prices on candles. It's right here. So it's going to touch here, and I have a feeling we're going to bounce back up and do another pyramid, another TP. And when it does that, it's going to cause us to run up. And this is why I like the DMI so damn much, because the direct movement index chart is your daytime trading movement indicator. It's telling me the direction of the candles. Listen to it. Directional movement indicator index. I mean, I'm not trying to be rude. I almost wanted to go duh. That's what I'm saying. Some of this is really like spit done right to your face. Like it's unbelievable. You just think about it, you do your research about it if you don't know it, and you Google it. Do you mind giving your quick opinion on ADA? You don't have to pull it up or anything. Well, this is the thing. You're my followers, so how many do I own of Anchor? I only had 300 Anchor. I showed my portfolio. I revealed it. It wasn't a lot of money. It was only Coinbase. Like I said, I had like 4 other platforms we mess with. I think I had $200 in Anchor. I have almost $1,000 in Anchor. It's because of you guys. It's because of you, my followers. I told you that. I didn't have this much Anchor until I met you all. It's plus the transaction fees with the PayPal announcement. Now that they're accepting crypto currency to buy things in the U.S. with the U.S. dollar, why would you not get involved in something that makes the transaction fees faster for Ethereum? You'd be silly not to. But Cardano's huge. Cardano in April, I said April 6th is going to the moon. So we're going to make a big move in Anchor. We're going to make an even bigger move in Engine. Engine, I believe, is going to $5. It's trading $2.50. So if you want to double your money and you want to hold me onto that, you can just wait and watch. And when we get to there, I'll tell you I told you so. Right now, I'm trying not to get off topic, but we are forming a half a W. Anchor is forming its half a W. If I'm not kidding, I'm not kidding. I mean, this is the price I plan on seeing. It's going to touch the 18.3. That's what I'm telling you. That's what's happening before we get to the 34 cents. Someone said to me, is 34 cents, because I predicted on the last video before I had to leave and I was getting attacked from my front door. Basically, I said 34 cents. I still mean that. Whatever that price was on that last video, I'd have to pull it up. Was it 33 cents, 33.9? Yes, I still stand by that. The problem is we're going to see downward movement before we do that. It's not going to go parabolic to 34 cents. No. So if you're asking if Anchor's going to parabolic move to 34 cents, I don't believe so. The only way we're going to get to 34 cents is this movement. All right. That's the only way we're getting to 34 cents. It is not going to go. We're not going to just all of a sudden, you know, see this movement straight up as I didn't right click. Damn it. We're not going to go all the way up to that price and it just be a parabolic move. I doubt that. No. But invest your money, you'll be fine. Okay? So that's what we need to see first. So right now, we're coming back up. We're at the 16-cent mark flat even. We should see 18 cents. When we see 18 cents, you'll see me come back on with the ANKR logo. We'll be talking about ANKR, and we'll be excited. So that's about the rest for ANKR. If you're done with ANKR, Cardano, I already explained to you, Cardano is at the bottom of its upward trend right now. Pay attention. I'll give you a quick two-punch with it. This is the top trend. This is the bottom trend. We are now hitting candles on the bottom trend. Do you understand? So as time elapses here, and we hit this downward trend that's in the upward form, it's just the bottom upward trend. I don't want to say downward trend. It's the bottom upward trend, right? There's two parts, the top and the bottom. We're getting closer and closer as time's going. Don't you realize to be able to stay in the upward trend that this price has to go up? That's my point. Pay attention to Cardano. Okay? Next, we said we were going to do Matic, Polygon. Let's talk about it. We can do that. This is what I'm here for. If you want to send a donation for Wall Street Pete, you are the man, you are the woman. I appreciate it. That would be wonderful. Check out for the link for donations. I'm going to be doing something really good with the money. It's not going in my bank account, by the way. I'm keeping it in the PayPal. I will announce probably what I'm going to do with it. Link for donations are on my YouTube page. You do not have to pay. Just saying it's there. Thank you. That's all. Just wanted to let everyone know I'm here. I'm live, and I am actually typing, and this is real, right? I'm a real person, as everyone knows. I'm not going to chump change you. This is not good. We need the Cleveland Indians to wake up. So something happened here. This is why I don't like messing around with the picks on baseball at the beginning of the year. But hey, it's the top of the third. Let's go. I think Cleveland's still got a shot. There's so much baseball left. That's awesome, though. Ethereum is coming down from the 1960, as you see. So now we're going to go with Polygon Matic, as I promised. Polygon here. Is that how they say it, Polygon? I did see this big W forming. If you see it here, this is what I was telling you. It's just another W. It's going to be one of those weeks. I see it already. I think we're going to have a nice weekend. You got Bruce Lee down, right? Yeah, pay attention to this. Pay attention to this. Thank you very much. Who said that, by the way? Who said that? Thank you so much for talking about Matic. That was a big deal to me. ANKR just did a big drop. Don't worry. I told you the drop has to happen to get that big bounce. It's okay. Thank you, whoever said Polygon. Take a look, because I'll tell you right now, if anybody wants to buy Polygon, it's really looking nice. Like I said, if you want to get more quicker in depth of what the hell's happening, like you said ANKR, right? Let's go back to ANKR. I lied. We're not done with ANKR now. Haha. Some people left, and now they're going to get mad at me. I want to show you real quick, though, just because it's a really good one to show. So you don't have to do, those are my hotkeys. I wanted to do the minute. Do you know that you could do a candle by the minute? Look, this is the minute of ANKR. Every candle is a minute. Do you know how much information a minute is? Jeez. It's a lot. So if you look, we got a green dot. Green dot started coming on up. We're not finished. This is really nice. As we continue to keep going through, we'll form an upward candle that's so nice. You see this long candle? That's a long candle for, what is it again? We said a minute? I don't usually do this. Yeah, we did a minute. That's a long jump for a minute. So I expect the symmetrical side of this to go up soon. We've already talked about it. We already know it's going up. Is anybody talking about it going down? You're silly right now. Anybody else have anything else before we go you want to talk about? Live chat? Chainlink? We could do a quick Chainlink. What the hell? Why not? I've been wanting to talk about Chainlink. Chainlink is now going into the NFT market, the NFT world. Where's Link? Look for Link on my list. There's Zilliqua. There's the Dogecoin. It was trading 6 cents at one point. I do not have faith in Dogecoin, by the way. CeeLo's on the up. Where's Link? Adam's looking nice. Look at Adam. Ooh, Cosmos. Adam looks great. Where is Link? I think I got rid of Link. Would you believe that? Shame on me. If you don't have Chainlink, in your life. You might want to start getting Chainlink in your life. It's going into the NFT world. It is starting to look pretty nice. Let's see what we could do. Here it is. So I actually bought Chainlink when it was at $24, and I got rid of it. I could have made a couple more bucks. I didn't make much, but hey, I didn't take a loss either. But yeah, Chainlink is looking really nice. We're going to go right into the chart on it. This is the 1 minute, 15. We'll go to that 4 hourly. So Chainlink hasn't done much. LTC, please. Litecoin, right? Is that what that is? Yeah, it's Litecoin. That's a tough one. I will do it, though. Let me just finish this. Okay, so look at what Chainlink's doing. Holy moly. Chainlink actually formed. It didn't even form a W. You see that? Anybody see that, really? That is such a wild upward W. And then if you see what it's doing here, ever since the NFT announcement, right here, so we're either going in a correction mode. This is what makes technical analysis so worth it, so important. If you own Chainlink right now, you could possibly. Nah. See, you got the resistance. This is what you have to do. It's either what makes technical analysis so hard. You have no future, right? And then you go to look back, and then you look at this price, and you go, well, when was the last time we were at this price? And that's what you have to do. Obviously, there's no future. Otherwise, you wouldn't freaking need any of us. How would you need us? So you go up here, and you start looking at the last ones, and you see the significant changes on where we jumped and we couldn't go through. And then you see, and you go, but sometimes this doesn't always work. Because when you get news like Chainlink that's going to be in the NFT world, you could get such a different pullback or such a different breakthrough that it would blow your mind. So this is what I'm getting at. Chainlink is probably one of those that's going to do something significant. So pay attention to Chainlink. If you don't have Chainlink on your watch list, you need it. There's no reason why you shouldn't have 100 things on here. There's no reason why. Why do you not want to look at them? Why would you not? I'm going to do something really, really, really fast, and I want to show you something. I want to show you something really quick, and I apologize. I can't do this because I can't have you seeing what's going on. It's nothing sneaky. I got to get in real quick, and then I can come back. It's literally 30 seconds. Because obviously I'm staying on longer than I wanted. So if I'm going to do that, let's show you some stuff. This is what I do, and I want to show you what Wall Street Pete does. I think it would be helpful. Okay, here we go. So, get into your platform. And when you're in your platform, if you have this option to check what the hell's going on the last week, what the hell is going on, right? I like to find out the gainers. So top gainers, top losers I really like to do. So I wanted to go a week. I do gainers and then I do losers. Let's do losers first. So the week loser is District, okay? This is a big deal. I'm going to go over LTC soon. I'm going to go over Litecoin for you, David. District has been going down for a week. It's down for a week, 6%. This is stuff I like to do. Now watch how it changes. This is where you get fooled. You would never have known, right? You would have no clue. You'd be like, what? So don't get fooled. Go by what's happening right now. Pay attention to what's happening. I like to do 24. I did not mean to do the hour. I apologize. 24 hours. Find out what's happening in the last 24 hours. UMA's down 4%. I'm getting so sick of UMA, and until it goes to friggin' $100 a share, and then I'll be happy. But I got out of pretty much my UMA. I got so tired of it. Kusama's down 7%. Pancake Swap 8%. OMG Network, that's a good network, by the way. That's down. Look at the market cap, 1 billion, 1.4 billion. These prices have to fluctuate with what's showing on the market cap. Do you understand? Hash graph. Do you know how good hash graph H bar is? I don't even get to talk about it. We can't talk about every coin in the world. I'd be on here all day as I blink my eyes, as you blink your eyes. We'll be sitting here talking to each other. I mean, really, there's so many. Terra Luna. Do you know I've seen Terra Luna? Do you know I watched Terra Luna when I got into this market? And do you know if you got into it this year, 2021, you're a freaking millionaire? Did you know? 7 cents. 7 cents this year. What's up? Dan Palin. I don't know if it's Danielle. Can you please fix that for me? Is it Dan or Danielle? I don't. I'm sure you've gotten that before and you got mad every time. But what's going on, Palin? How you doing? Uh, 1 year I went to all, and then you're looking at prices at 1890. Just close your eyes right now for 2 seconds and think about how many shares in January 16th at 7 cents you could have bought with the money you got. Real quick, right? And then, okay, January 16th. What's today's date? You're telling me you couldn't have waited and bought 15,000? Say you had 15,000, or you had money you made, or 10,000, or 1,000, even $1,000. Hell, put $1,000 in, and then do the percentage on your calculator when you do it on TradingView, and you'll see the percentage growth in your account, and you'll get sick. Yes, you will. So this is the kind of stuff you have to do. Terra Luna was one of those coins. ANKR. It was one of those anchor coins. You understand what I'm saying? It was one of those guys. It was one of them little people. And then all of a sudden, guess what? The little people that invested into the little person is now the big person. Is now the big shot. Is now the bad boy. And that's how it works. You have to pay attention, right? I need to pay attention to the Indians. I need to score a damn point. Kidding. That's not important right now, but it is to me because I want to buy more Bitcoin. I want to buy more cryptocurrency. What else are we going to go over? Litecoin? Is that what we have to do? I don't even have Litecoin on my thing. I'm sorry. Litecoin, if you're interested in Litecoin, let me explain this to you. This is a coin that you might want to retire with. You might want to hold for a long time. Litecoin is not something. I should go on here and do it. I'd rather do it here. It's a lot easier because Litecoin is on Coinbase. Dan is my first name. Awesome. Now I know. Well, what's up, Dan? Dan the man. Dan the man from the promised land. Prices. Then we go. And what did I say we were going to do? See, I'm a nut job because I already forgot. You guys are getting me off topic. We were going to talk about Litecoin. And Litecoin is a retirement. It's a retirement coin. If you want to hold it for a long time and you want to put it in and go to sleep, MLK coin, please. Okay, Jenny. Let's see. So Litecoin. I'll get you, Jenny. I'll get you. Litecoin here, if you look on the last 24-hour chart, it'll tell you. This is pretty cool. It's not bad. I have to say, 66.8 million circulating supply. You got the 3.8 billion in volume right now. If you don't know what it is, you look. It says the total dollar value of all LTC transactions over the past 24 hours. Okay, it includes data from all exchanges, not just Coinbase. So it's really good intel. 13.3 billion market cap. Could you freaking imagine? Could you imagine? This is something that I said, retirement. Okay, this is something that you're looking in the future. You want to put money into it now. You got that kind of money. You put it in. You forget about it. I mean, I don't know. Look at the year. Look what it's done in a year. Has it done great? Yes. But you got to go back. You got to go back. All right, let's go. I like to date everything to this year. So look, January 2nd, $137. What have you done? You made $60 a share. Hey, that's excellent. I'm not going to down that. Luke Bowen. What's up, brother? I believe in ANKR. Got 16,000 in bag and still buying. Holy cow, Luke. You the man. Luke, if I'm not trying to brag either, dude, but if I had my money that I have in crypto and other places in ANKR, I feel like I have 1 million shares of ANKR. That's probably what I should have done, too. But we got to be diverse. You understand me? You have to be diverse. And when I say be diverse, you need to be diverse in platforms. What if you get hacked? What if somebody scams all your money on Coinbase and you had 100 grand in Coinbase? What are you going to do? You're going to lose your mind. You're probably going to jump off a bridge. You need Coinbase. You need KuCoin. Go get CoinGecko. It's basically of all the market exchange. You know what? Let's do it now. I got to help them. I got to help my followers. I got to help everyone out. CoinGecko. Check this out. CoinGecko. Where the hell is it? CoinGecko. Okay. This is one of your best friends. It'll tell you basically where you can go to a platform and use. The markets are awesome. It'll give you where you can get. It'll basically give you the information on the market here. and then it'll tell you where you can invest in. It'll give you a better understanding of how to invest, where to go, US Binance, Binance itself, KuCoin, all these things. CoinGecko is actually really cool. If you have a smartphone and you're probably tired of all the stupid platforms you got, the apps on your phone, but I would get CoinGecko. CoinGecko is definitely one of them that I would get. It's very helpful. You can go to exchanges, spot, DEX, derivatives. It's very helpful. I can't finesse enough on how awesome CoinGecko is. So check it out. Something you may want to look into. Litecoin, as I explained, you're up $60 a share on this year. That's not bad. That's considered pretty good. And now we have to go to MLK. All right, let's see, MLK coin. And this is all I do. Okay. Reminds me of milk. I'm sure everyone else thinks about that. I know it's not just me, because immediately after I hear it, I think of milk. Listen, the world is blowing up. It's $2.60 a share. What is it? We'd have to do research on that. I'll go over a quick chart with you if that's what you wanted. MLK, MILK for milk. Okay, it has to obviously present something with that. Is it actually milk? Am I really feeling like an idiot? Is this really milk? Help me out. What are we doing? We're going live. We got to know what we're doing a little bit here. The live milk price today is $1.49 USD. So, hey, this thing's moving. 52,768 USD is up 5%. It's almost 6% in the last 24 hours. I see why you brought this to our attention. Very nice. Okay, I see what's going on here. This is definitely moving in the right direction. Let me see if I can get that on TradingView. Now you got my attention. This is what makes it difficult because your options are really, really, really limited. Yeah, I can't do it on there, so I'll do it quick on the chart here. If you look at it on the web here, the market cap, what do we got? The market cap is definitely growing. This is definitely a nice growing coin. We'd have to do more in detail. Like I said, if anyone's got anything, yeah, it's a milk coin. Okay, thank you for saying that. I really appreciate it because it made me feel very stupid for a minute. Well, we can go check back to ANKR if you want. I would have to have it on TradingView in order for me to really break it down for you. So anybody, please, if you have a request on me to go over in the charts, I will go over anything in the charts. But please make sure that we can check it on TradingView. And if you're not sure, then hell, we'll just ask and we'll find out. We'll punch it in and we'll see if it comes up. That's no problem. Let's see. Harmony. I didn't get to go over Harmony. And you know what? Nobody wants to talk about it. Are we not educated in Harmony? Do I need to school you people in Harmony? Harmony is amazing. Harmony, I went over the 10 reasons why to buy Harmony. You can actually Google the 10 reasons to buy Harmony. Please do it now. Go Google the 10 reasons to buy Harmony. And I'm telling you right now, you'll love me. So we didn't get the hook that I thought we were getting yet. So that's probably even better. We're forming the same thing that ANKR's doing. That's what I wanted to talk about. If you do have one more before I get off, I'm going to be getting off very shortly here. We're going to check ANKR out before we do it. Right here. This is what I'm talking about. So now it's either going to do this and piss me off, right? And piss anybody else off who has one. Why do I go over the scenarios? Because technical analysis, you really don't know the answer until you get the rest of the candles. It's almost like you feel like a weatherman when you do this stuff, right? It's like, what can you do in basketball? You can do three. What is it called? The triple threat: dribble, shoot, pass. Well, guess what? There's only 3 freaking ways to call the market. It's up, down, and sideways action. That's it. If you talk about all 3, you sound like the weatherman, right? You sound ridiculous. Guess what? We always, in technical analysis, have to look at all 3 scenarios. Not so much the sideways, but the up and down movement, right? Because that's what affects our money the most. I don't give a damn if it's going sideways like this. The only thing I care about it going sideways, right, is when it's just not going up. But what happens when you form the M and it keeps doing this and you're on a downward trend and we do it for 4 or 5 days? It's like you're in the freaking gutter for 4 or 5 days. It's unbelievable. So that's the problem. Crypto gets you in the mood. Crypto changes your mood, and you can't get in the mood. Let me give you a quick tip, real fast. All the people look at their phones, right? All the people looking at their money. That's all you do, probably. You don't even look at TradingView. You just look at the bottom line. I want to know what my balance on my Coinbase is. I want to know what the balance on my KuCoin is. And then you look at it, and then that's all you care about. You got to stop doing that. When the market's falling, let me give you the best advice you'll ever get in your life with this crypto. And if he knocks that down, that guy up there, that little tiki guy, I'm telling you, you knock that shelf over, you're in a lot of trouble, mister. Point was I was getting at was you need to be diverse on all of them. And the problem with this is it's going to go up or it's going to go down, and you need to protect your money. Some of these, Coinbase doesn't allow you to short the market. So when you're shorting the market, you have to put stops in, it's called. And it stops the price. It gets you out before the price hits a certain price where you would probably die. You would literally melt in your soul. And I want you to understand that it's very important to start learning and educating these moves and these things that we're going through. Hi, Heidi. What's up? Haha, I was thinking of Martin Luther King as well. Oh, gosh, that's hilarious. Harmony, as a huge fan, fake bull run last night. Yeah, so Harmony's going to do some big things, though. If you go over what it does, it basically makes the packs. You know in NBA Top Shot where you get the packs and you can only buy one pack at a time? That's what Harmony does. Harmony stops basically you. Tiki wants in. Yeah, Tiki probably wants to go to the moon with us. He wants some Bitcoin. Probably trying to chew my hat. Long story short of it all, you have to pay attention. Like, look at Mana. Mana's dropping. Mana is dropping. Whew. What is Mana doing? What did we say? They're doing this. Oh, gosh, please don't do that. We're doing this, not a downward trend. I'm telling you it's coming. This is your line you have to pay for. You have to pay attention to on Mana. Right here. I'm not kidding. This is the line. $1.09. Okay? So if anybody who got excited over Mana Decentraland like I did, over the NFT basketball slam dunk NBA Top Shop that we talk about, get your card packs, man. Get 3 cards today and get your account ready so you can buy a pack. That'll be a way to make you a millionaire in 2021. You think I'm joking? Maybe not 2021, maybe 2022. I don't want to fib. But look at this. So pay attention to this price. We can get rid of this bull crap if you want. It looks stupid. It looks silly. I don't like to use the stupid word. It's very negative. 109. Pay attention to 109 on Mana Decentraland. What's the score with the stimmy checks? You guys still receiving those? I got mine, and I threw mine into... What did I throw mine into? Harmony. Yeah, that's right. My stimulus check bought Harmony. You ever hear that song? We are Harmony. Mm-mm. I got all my followers with me. I swear I'm going to make a song with Harmony. It's going to be called We Are Harmony because I friggin' love Harmony. When you start investing in Harmony and you start seeing what this is going to do, when you find out that Harmony hits this price and I start celebrating online and I start getting excited about it, you're going to be mad as hell. And you're going to be like, I wish I bought some Harmony. I'm telling you right now, get some goddamn Harmony, okay? It's one. It's the it's literally O-N-E. Get some Harmony. Because we are going to be free. Look at this. Look at this forming. Look at this green candle coming. Let's go to the 4-hourly. You don't believe me? Let's get more. Let's get more. Did the chart change? That's another problem. That's another indicator by itself. If you go from the hourly and then you go to the 4-hourly and you see a completely different thing, it might not be coming. But now that I just seen the hourly match the 4-hourly, I could never feel more confident. And then you know what Wall Street Pete's going to do. Wall Street Pete, have a seat. We're going to pull out the DMI. Look what's going to happen. Holy cow. I'm so excited right now. I hope you guys are excited too. Harmony and the rest of them are doing this. I'm telling you. We're going to get this resistance, which is going to give me a bigger red candle. It's going to fall. Harmony's going to fall as it did already. It touched this 17 cents. Tried to go lower. This is going to happen. Our support team is going to rise. The buying power, if you notice, is already on the up. And then it got its little small fall here. What's going to happen is it's going to come back up and retest, causing this price to go up, hitting the 21-cent mark. I am excited as I'm going through this. I'm trying to hold my excitement because I have Harmony at such a 5-cent price. I bought Harmony at 5 cents. Okay, yes, I bought Harmony at 5 cents. That was this month that just passed, and it wasn't long ago. You could probably check out my video if you want to. It's ridiculous what it's doing. Just sent you 50 bones. Grab some more harmony. Just sent you 50 bones. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. So I just got a donation. Thank you so much, CJ. Mr. Wilson or Miss Wilson, I'm sure you're a man. I thank you very much. I'm not investing it back into crypto. Um, you're probably gonna lose your mind when you find out what I might do with this money. Uh, all right, I'm gonna announce it. I got a lot of people watching, so I'm getting donations right now. As Tiki's about to kill me. And I'm thinking about taking the donations. Now, please do not put this in stone and do not hang me if I don't do this. I was thinking about doing a contest. When I had enough followers and we went over to 1,000 followers, if I could somehow raise $1,000 from all my followers making money and being excited, I was thinking maybe we give it back and maybe we take the $1,000 that I made and we do it into like a contest, like whoever gets the most percentage of ANKR, whoever makes the most percentage of ANKR on that that contest, you'll win the money and you win it in ANKR. We'll try and learn how to do it. That's my thought. That's my thinking. That's how Wall Street Pete likes to think. So let's, you want to send me some donations, send them. I'll keep a calculation of what I'm getting, and maybe I'll announce it, and then we'll know what's in there. And I'll probably rake my percentage of something if I need it, but really it's going to be small, maybe 10%. I don't want to touch much of it. I don't want to touch any of it. I'm kind of excited that you're even donating to me. I'm thinking I want to give back to my Wall Street Pete community, and I want to do something awesome. So let's think about that. Let's be positive. Like I said, I'm not going to set it in stone. Things happen, Nobody expects anything in life significant to change or happen, right? It just happens that way. So here's the W. Get excited. Let's go back to ANKR because I know everyone friggin' loves ANKR. What's going on? ANKR's falling, I know. You guys are all getting upset. How do you think a W forms? Like this. This is how W forms, just so you were wondering. So, I mean, he's got to give us some more time. So what's this? So what's the ultimate move? April 2nd. So we're sitting here chatting away, and we're still a day away for the parabolic move in my mind. You see what I'm saying? I'm not saying that's 1,000% correct. That's my technical analysis. I'm thinking by tomorrow. Tomorrow we may see something really significant. Maybe tonight. See, I didn't right click, son of a gun. I try to drag and then it does the drawing again. I look at my DMI and it tells me that we are in the uptrend. I mean, that's all I care about. I don't care about much more. If you look at the hourly, you definitely see the trend breakthrough. You definitely see it. I was explaining to you is that we never hit the 16 cent 8 mark, did we? Did we finally hit the 16 cent 8? 16.8? Yeah, we did. Okay, yeah. So we definitely confirmed the uptrend. So there's no reason for anybody right now to be upset. Like the only reason why you're upset is because your money's not going up fast enough. And I understand. It's money, right? Should I buy more right now? Yeah, dude. It might be a few days because my PayPal is in Canada. Ah, my Canadian friend. That's awesome. What platform did you buy Harmony? Precious the Roman. Harmony. They have Harmony on Binance. Yeah, check Harmony on Binance. You can definitely get it on Binance. I'm confident. You can buy it on a couple places. I can't give them all away, but definitely Binance. I know you can do that. Good job, 95. I have 30,000 units of ANKR. First time investing. I hope it pays off. Wow, you're going to be a happy man. It's your first time investing and you invested in ANKR? Oh, gosh. That might ruin you. I'm being honest. Do you have a Pi Invitational code for the Pi app? Does the bear do poop in the woods? This is going to be case sensitive. I have a huge team on Pi. I have so much Pi that this is why I don't worry about money. I have money so many different places in life, and that's why I say you need to be diverse. PD Guns. That is for the first smartphone app mining system ever made by 2 PhD grads. Those are facts. Read the facts, read the wheat. It is what it is, man. I mean, I speak the truth. Try to be a real person. If the Indians, the Cleveland Indians, if that's their name still, yes it is. If they don't get their ass moving, I'm going to be going, woo, 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 my butt home, because I'm going to be pissed. Come on, Indians. Let's go. ANKR. ANKR is falling. I love it. Wait, ruin me in a good way or a bad way? Laugh out loud. It's going to ruin you in a good way. You're going to see growth, and every coin that you put in after, if you don't see the same growth that Anchor's going to give you in profits, you're going to get out of it, and you're going to prematurely have it. You're going to be impatient. So it may ruin you, actually. It's going to be a great thing. You're going to make money, but in the long run, it's going to ruin your patience for the coins. There's some coins you need to have patience. My family, my Wall Street P family. We're going to have to close this video very shortly here. I can't keep going on. This is a very long video. Sorry, Pete. Can you scroll a bit back? I asked the question, but you overlooked it. Heidi, for you, why the hell not, right? How the hell could I overlook what Heidi said? Heidi, I just mighty. Let's see. What did you say, Heidi? Somebody help me. Somebody help me. We're killing time on live, and Heidi's talking about important stuff. Heidi, I'm telling you, Heidi's a good follower. She talks about important stuff. Pete, would it be smart to invest this weekend, Monday, into Engine, as most likely it will go up around the 6th of April, because I get paid this weekend on Monday, and I feel it's quite high up now, though. No, Heidi, no. Heidi, if you look, this is the problem, Heidi. Look what I've been doing. Look what I've been saying. Heidi, we've been at 244. $2. This is Engine. This is really important. She asks. I love Heidi. She asks the freaking best questions. 244 for Engine. I want to fight Engine. Do you understand when a price gets stuck and a price can't beat a resistance level and it gets stuck at a certain amount of time, which is what? 244. When you get stuck at a specific price, which is right here, and you get stuck for a long time, it's called poop or get off the pot. You ever hear of that? Well, guess what? It needs to do it. And what happened is it formed a different price. And as it's doing it, it's giving you your heartbeat movement. Your heartbeat movement is your ascending triangle. This is your ascending triangle. We went over that. That is a bullish pattern. I told you that. So what's going to keep happening, and this is the pattern. So let's look. I'm going to answer your question right now. You have until April 4th. What you said, the 5th? Yeah, there's a lot of people talking, Heidi. I overlooked it, not on purpose. I can't read every question as I'm teaching. It's so hard. I apologize, but yeah, definitely, it was an excellent question. I'm glad you're so persistent, man. You're so persistent. It's awesome. I saw it. I caught it the second time you said something. This is important. This is definitely going to have this formation, this kind of a breakout that I'm trying to explain to you to the $3 quickly. When this happens and you get to this tip, you're going to see that quickly. Yes, that's going to happen very fast. All right? So, yes, when the Engine news comes out with the jump launch, Eternity, when Eternity comes out, the Game Talk, we went over this net launch probably a month ago. I explained to you that Engine had this coming and it was going to be exciting, and then I didn't know about Game Talk. We went over this many times. It is a Gamers Online. Basically, it's the Engine token. It's going to Korea. Korea is the 4th largest gaming. I can't believe I just pulled all that up and I didn't read nothing I said. Basically, it's going to Korea, and April 6th is when it launches. So by April 6th, unfortunately, April 4th is 2 days before it. What happens is these prices blow up before the actual launch date. So to answer your question, Heidi, which is an amazing question, it's going to go up probably 2 days before. So I actually expect Engine to be somewhere close to $3 by April 4th. So to answer your question, you're probably not going to get paid in time to see the $3, but you will be paid in time to get to the 5. But this is the question, next one you're going to have. Will we have a correction when we hit 330, 340, $3.50? I don't know. We don't have enough candles. We don't have any information. Put it this way. Show me a new high, and I'll show you a new buy. That's all I can tell you. That's it. I hope I filled it in good. All right. Well, I'm going to end this. I hope everyone had a wonderful video, had a better understanding. I hope you learned one thing. What are we saying, CJ? He's saying something to someone. Okay, GJ, good job. Anyways, just pay attention. If you learned one thing from my video, every video, you will be successful. You will be happy. Remember that. I do that in life. I try to learn one new thing every day in life. My brain hurts. I learn about 10. It is what it is. I want you to better yourself. I'm going to take a protein shake and I'm going to do some working out as my muscles are so bad. I used to be huge. They used to call me Petey Guns. I used to have guns. Get the pie. If you don't have pie right now, engine about to pop then, I told you, April 4th, engine's popping, yes. What's up, Blake? How's it shake? Have a good day, brother. You too. I want everyone to have a good day. What's going on? Before you get off, should I buy more ANKR? Yes. That question is very simple. Yes. 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 I want you to have a wonderful day. I'm going to work out. I apologize if the price flies up and I'm not getting on. Don't be wondering where the hell I am. Ethereum's going up. Expect it to continue. Expect ANKR. Expect Harmony. Expect Engine, Cardano, and Mana to have a wonderful April. That's what I'm trying to tell you all. Peace in, peace out. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. If you haven't hit that like button already, please hit the like button. I really could use it, and subscribe.